y'all, welcome to my front porch. I'm Nazara with Nazara's Fine Crafts, and today we're going to do this video outside. My little ones want to play because it is warm outside, so if you hear some noise, that's them playing right behind the camera. I can watch them while I'm doing this video. Stay over here. You might hear me correct them every now and again. But today we're doing a video on works in progress that I've been doing this month, as well as finished objects. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you like these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. So you guys have one more day to sign up for the March giveaway. I will be doing the drawing on Wednesday the 1st. So I will link that in the description below so you guys can get signed up. So, of course, I've been working on more sunflowers. Now, the reason I've been working on another sunflower here, which normally I sell them at craft fairs, but the craft fairs are all closed because of the coronavirus, which is kind of sad. That was part of my income that I would get, but it's okay. We all have to do our part to keep all of us safe. And hold on just a moment. Sorry about that. They're playing with balls and it's going everywhere. So the reason I've been working on the sunflower rugs is I am writing up a pattern. I've probably said this before quite a few times, but I am very close to finished. So I should be releasing that also on the 1st of April in my Etsy shop. I will link that below. Let's see, of course, when you just feel like doing a project, you whip out a few hats. This is just a double crochet and then a crisscross stitch, double crochet, crisscross stitch, and then a front and back post stitch towards the end.
So sweet.
Oh, thank you for the flowers. That is very sweet. Yeah. Careful. Go. Go play. Worked on some towel toppers. I did do a video, I'll link that in the description below as well, on the towel toppers for you guys. So loved how these turned out. They just don't match my kitchen. And then, so I'm about to release a video on this, so this is kind of a sneak peek. It's almost a Pinterest fail, I guess you could say. So I was doing an Easter egg wreath, and some of the eggs were soft and did not want to turn out right. So I went ahead and tied it to a frame, but it's still sagging like really bad. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few of these. Well, the reason it started to sag, sorry, backtrack here. The reason it started to sag was because it's already 85 degrees here where I live. And the glue, even the ones that were stiff and hard, the eggs, from the glue started to soften because of the heat and they all started to sag. So I think I'm going to take it inside, take the good eggs still that I can salvage and maybe make a centerpiece for it. But I'll still post that video even though it was kind of a Pinterest fail, and I will let people know in the beginning of the video that it was kind of a fail, but if they want to try it, they can try it. So I just did a darn good yarn review on a frog kit that I ordered, and this is the frog. He's a little crooked and his feet are a little off. The pattern was pretty well written, except for there is a miscount on one side. There was a miscount on one side, and then go play. Go play. There's a miscount on one side, so that confused me, so I had to fix that. And then on the other side it completely skipped on I think it was on his arms. It completely missed row 2 completely, so I had to kind of revise that to work. And then, let's see, other than that, the pattern was great. And then it came with everything. I actually think I have enough yarn to make 2 of those little frogs, and stuffing and everything from the stuff they gave us. So that's really nice if you want to get one of their kits. I also started working on a new product. It's kind of null and void at the moment because it's a travel kit, diaper wipes and baby carry. It's a diaper changing station kit that I started to work on, a crochet one. It has a mat and a pocket to carry everything. I started making this before this whole situation happened. I might keep working on these and release them after this whole thing is kind of passed by a little bit. Hopefully soon. And then, so I did a festival in early March, right before all of this self-isolating thing happened, and found out I have no boy baby booties, so I have been working on little boy baby booties as well. So, see the little guys. So, I haven't done a whole lot this month. It's been a hard month to feel creative. I am working on, I'm using that DIY yarn as well as that Caron Simply Soft that I got at Joann's on clearance to make a haul rug. And I have frogged this thing at least 4 times, but I think that's a pattern I'm going to settle on to go all the way down my hallway. It is time consuming. I think it's called a Belgian stitch. I have I have a tutorial for it. I will put that in the link below as well. So, or link that below in the description as well. So, but I like it. It's thick enough to make a good rug, and it's got enough pattern or texture for it to be decorative. So, what have you guys been up to? Have you guys been able to... My Etsy shop has actually taken kind of a hit from this whole thing going on. I haven't sold much on Etsy, but I've been at least consistently selling at least one thing a month, and I haven't sold anything this month yet on Etsy, which is fine. I understand that everybody's trying to be prepared and everything like that. It is not a full-time income for me yet. The craft shows are more of a hit for me than the Etsy shop, because at the craft fairs I could bring in a really decent sum of money. But what do? You do your part. Sorry, I'm watching the kids over here playing with the frog. My son fell in love with that frog even before I put the eyes on it, so that's his. He always claims them. But those frogs are smaller than I thought they were going to be, and but they might be cute for like a little surprise egg thing that everybody's doing now. So I thought that would be cute. And then, let's see, yep, that's about all I've been working on. My mom's in Wyoming. She is working on some things as well. She finished writing up her alpaca pattern for her rug, so now I just have to write it out and do the diagram for it. Get some pictures of making it as well, but I have to make one to make sure that her pattern is correct as far as written correctly, so I have to make one anyway, so I'll take pictures as I make one. So hopefully we'll have that out April, May 1st maybe, start writing more patterns. So I hope you all are doing well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out those links below that I'm putting in there, and y'all be safe. Bye.